Hello friends, we are looking at this particular problem which is circle 43.2. So here is the problem which says that two concentric circles are of radius 7 and r respectively, where r is greater than 7. So there's a bigger circle than radius 7. A chord of the larger circle, which has obviously the radius as r, has a length of 48 centimeters, touches the smaller circle. The important word is touches the smaller circle. Find the value of r. Okay, so here we have to use a couple of properties of the circle. One property is that the tangent is perpendicular to the radius. So I have drawn the diagram here. So this is a smaller circle which has a radius of 7 as shown here, and the bigger circle has a radius of r, and a AB is the chord of the larger circle which touches the internal circle, the smaller circle. So obviously we get that OC, we get OC as perpendicular to AB. So this is the property of the tangent. Length AB is given as 48. Length AB is given as 48. So obviously C is the midpoint. That's the property of the chord, that the perpendicular from the center bisects the chord. The perpendicular from the center, since OC is perpendicular to AB, C will be the midpoint. The C will be the midpoint. So the length of AC will be 48 upon 2, which is 24. So the length of AC is 24. Now, if you look at triangle OAC, if you look at the triangle OAC, this is a right triangle because this particular angle is 90 degrees. Angle OCA is 90 degrees. So the triangle OAC is a right triangle. So the hypotenuse, which is r square, is equal to, which is AO square. That is what we want to find out. AO square, which is OC square plus AC square. OC is given as 7 and AC we found out as 24. If you add this up, the sum becomes 625. Thus, R is a root of 625, which is 25 centimeters. So that's the answer. Here, we have used two properties. One is that the radius connecting the tangent at the point of tangency is perpendicular to the tangent. So OC is perpendicular to AB. And the second property that we used is that the perpendicular from the center bisects the chord. So length AC becomes 24 because it bisects. C is the midpoint as per the theorem. So therefore 24, and finally we used right angle triangle property, which is the Pythagoras. So with Pythagoras we found out that r square is equal to AO, which is AO. R is length AO as shown here. So AO square, which is OC square plus AC square. OC square plus AC square, and we know both, and thus we get the answer as 25. Here friends, remember that some Pythagorean triplets have to be by-hearted. Pythagorean triplets have to be by-hearted. So 7, 24, and 25 is a Pythagorean triplet. So my suggestion is by heart all the Pythagorean triplets, like you already know that 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triplet. So by heart the Pythagorean triplet so that the sums become easy. Thank you.